recipe. Now the first step is making the pak or the sugar syrup. So to a bowl, I've added 1 cup of sugar, regular sugar. You don't need to use powdered sugar. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to turn on the flame to low to medium, and we're going to continuously stir the mixture till all of the sugar dissolves. After that, we're going to let the mixture boil by stirring in between for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Now, after 7 to 8 minutes, when the mixture thickens up, we need to check on the consistency. So take it on the back of your ladle or spoon and let the mixture cool, and then you check, and then you have to get a single thread consistency. So after 7 to 8 minutes, when you check the mixture, you will see that it comes to this one tar or one thread consistency. Now you know your mixture is ready. You can turn off the flame, and now we're just going to make some elaichi powder. So I've just peeled about 4 elaichis or cardamoms, and I'm going to grind them to a very fine powder in my mortar and pestle. If you have ready-made elaichi powder or cardamom powder, you can use that too, about half a teaspoon. And we're going to add this to our sugar syrup and mix it in well. So now our sugar syrup or our pak is ready. Now we're going to heat a pan, and in that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter, and I've taken 2 cups of very fine semolina or rava. We're going to add that to the ghee once it's hot, and we're going to fry this rava for at least 7 to 8 minutes, stirring continuously. The reason we're stirring it continuously is because we don't want the rava to change its color. We want to retain the nice white color of the rava. That way the ladoos look really nice. So we have to stir this continuously for 7 to 8 minutes. And you will know when your rava is ready because you'll get the lovely aroma of the semolina or the rava once you keep frying it or roasting it. Now the best way that I like to do this is I keep a timer on my phone or my watch for 7 to 8 minutes. That way you'll know exactly that the rava is ready. So now that our rava is ready and our sugar syrup is also ready, we're just going to add this lovely roasted or fried rava into the sugar syrup, and we are going to mix this very, very well. Remember, the flame is completely off. There's no heat under the pan. Now you have to mix this lovely rava with this sugar syrup very, very well. This is also very key. No part of the rava has to be dry or without the sugar syrup. So take your time and just mix it in very, very well. Now once this is done, we are going to cover this and keep it aside for 1 hour because we want the mixture to set properly. We want all of the sugar syrup to nicely seep into the rava. So this is also very important. We have to keep this mixture aside for an hour at least. After an hour, just loosen up the mixture. It tends to get a little bit hard and get stuck to the side of the pan. So you can also use a spoon and just scrape off the sides. Now once our mixture is nice and loosened up, it's time to roll in the ladoos. So just take a little mixture according to whatever size you prefer and just roll them out like this. They're very, very easy to roll because your mixture has set perfectly. Now we want, and of course you can decorate them with whatever you have. Now because of the lockdown, all I had was almonds at home. Otherwise you can decorate it with a kishmish or whatever you like to decorate your ladoos with. Now your rava laddu has to be really nice and firm. You should not break or should not be loose, or it should not be extra hard too. I will leave tips in the description box below as to what is the solution if your mixture has become too loose or too hard. So you can go and check it out below the video. And that's it, friends. Our lovely, easy and delicious rava laddus are all ready to enjoy.